In this video, you'll learn how to delete your Phantom Wallet account. This process will ensure that your account and any associated data are completely removed from the platform. To begin, locate your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. This icon typically represents your account and is essential for accessing account settings. Click on this icon to proceed. Once you have clicked the profile icon, a menu will appear. From this menu, select the Settings option. This will direct you to the Settings page where you can manage various aspects of your account. After accessing the Settings page, look for the Security and Privacy section. Click on this section to view options related to your account's security and privacy settings. Next, scroll down through the Security and Privacy page. As you scroll, keep an eye out for the Delete Wallet option, which is displayed in red text. This indicates a critical action, so ensure you are ready to proceed. When you find the Delete Wallet option, click on it. This action will prompt a confirmation dialog to appear, asking you to confirm your decision to delete the wallet. At this point, carefully read the information provided in the confirmation dialog. Deleting your wallet is irreversible and all associated data will be permanently lost. If you are sure you want to proceed, confirm the deletion. Once you confirm the deletion, your Phantom Wallet account will be permanently removed. Depending on your internet connection, this process may take a moment to complete, so be patient as the action is finalized. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.